Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to show you how to personalize emails in ActiveCampaign in 2026. To get started, log into your ActiveCampaign account on your PC, and from the main dashboard, click on Campaigns, then click Create Campaign to open the Email Designer. Once you are in the drag and drop editor, click on any text block where you want to add personalization, and then click the personalization icon, which looks like a user icon, to open the Merge Fields menu. Here you will see a list of fields you can use, such as contact, first name, last name, company name, or any custom fields you have created for your contacts. Select first name, and ActiveCampaign will insert a merge tag that automatically pulls in each contact's name when the email is sent. To go beyond just names, you can use conditional content, which allows you to show different content to different segments within the same email. Click on the Conditional Content button in the editor and set a rule, such as if contact tag equals VIP, then show a special offer, otherwise show a standard offer, which creates a highly tailored experience for each subscriber. You can also personalize your subject lines by clicking into the subject line field and inserting a merge tag like first name to grab attention right from the inbox. For more advanced personalization, use the automation builder to send emails based on specific behaviors like browsing a product page or abandoning a cart, then use merge fields to reference that exact product or action in your message. Once your personalized email is ready, send a test to yourself to verify that the merge fields are populating correctly before sending to your full list. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I will see you in the next one.